Hello, this is a short tutorial video about how to analyze the SPECT phantom. I will open it first via tutorial pet SPECT phantom load example dataset. It is here. Let me open this 3D rendering and rotate a little bit. This phantom was described by Visser et al. 2010. You can find some further information in the white paper about it. Here you have an overview of the SPECT phantom and also the relevant parameters, and here's also an explanation how to segment the SPECT phantom. But let me show you how it works. You have to open a reference segmentation via MyLab segment SPECT phantom. The software asks for the reference segmentation. We from Grenze IT GmbH already generated one. It's here. Here you can find all the values for the words, some information as well as the graphs. You can save them to Excel and analyze them, or to ODS. I will toggle underlay and overlay for some further explanations. Here's the homogeneous region. We have two air-filled and non-radioactive water-filled compartments here in red and yellow. These are rings around the screws. They are needed for the segmentation. And here we have the rods with different diameters and the line profiles that are going through the rods. That's all from my side. Wish you a nice day. Bye bye.